This clip will be a method to install the Smart Control program for managing and controlling the SmartNet COM T800. The program will be this one: Smart Control. Press Open, click Run. Choose in English, press Next, then select all topics and press Install. It will ask whether to install RDP Accelerator program or not, which is a program for managing graphics. Just press Yes to it after it is finished installing. It will notify you to restart the machine, then press Restart the machine. After installing the program and restarting the device, there will be an icon now coming up. Smart Control opens the program to see the information of the machine that we are using. That CPU, RAM and drive C are used. How much is it and other details of the device. The clip will be used as the next clip.